HDAC isoforms, emerging targets in oncology, neurology, and beyond. HDACs or histone destylases are a family of enzymes that play a crucial role in regulating gene expression by modifying chromatin structure. There are 18 known HDAC isoforms, which can be grouped into 4 classes. Class I HDACs, HDAC 1, 2, 3, and 8 are ubiquitously expressed and are often dysregulated in cancer and neurological disorders. Class II HDACs, HDAC 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 are more tissue-specific and are involved in cardiac, muscular, and neuronal regulation. Class III HDACs or sirtuins 1 to 7 are NAD-dependent and have been implicated in aging, metabolism, and neurodegeneration. Class IV HDACs, HDAC 11 is unique in structure and function and plays a role in immune regulation and cancer. HDACs function by removing acetyl groups from lysine residues on histones and other proteins, which then modulates the activity of transcription factors, DNA repair, and cell cycle progression. Dysregulation of HDACs is implicated in cancers such as leukemia, lymphoma, and solid tumors, as well as neurodegenerative diseases like ALS and Huntington's and inflammatory conditions. Real-world evidence or RWE findings from the analysis of the HRS and cancer registries suggest that HDAC inhibitors or HDACIs show real-world efficacy in T-cell lymphoma, multiple myeloma, and might have a use in Alzheimer's-related agitation. Currently, there are 4 approved HDAC inhibitors. Vorinostat or SAHA is indicated for cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. Romidepsin is indicated for peripheral T-cell lymphoma. Belinostat is indicated for relapsed or refractory PTCL, and Panobinostat is indicated for multiple myeloma in combination with bortezomib. There are several emerging candidates, such as HDAC6 inhibitors like Ricolinistat and ACY1215, that are being investigated for neuropathy and multiple myeloma. Also, HDAC1 half-selective inhibitors that are targeting glioblastoma and AML and dual HDAC PI3K inhibitors that show promising results in preclinical studies for their synergistic anti-cancer activity. The HDAC inhibitor market is estimated at $1.1 billion in 2023, with a CAGR of around 8% driven by orphan drug designation, combination therapy expansion, and clinical trials for central nervous system applications. However, challenges remain such as off-target toxicity and epigenetic resistance mechanisms. Currently, HDAC inhibitors are approved for oncology, T-cell lymphoma, AML, and glioblastoma, and in neurology for Alzheimer's agitation and Huntington's disease. There are also ongoing studies for inflammatory disorders. If we look at a sales snapshot of leading HDAC inhibitors, Vorinostat sales have declined since 2021 due to generic competition, while Panobinostat sales are on the rise due to its use in combination regimens. Pharma is currently in triplet trials, and while the value of early access program is not disclosed publicly, we can expect an uptick in sales by 2026. Recent studies have highlighted the role of HDAC6 in cardiovascular disease. Inhibition of HDAC6 has been shown to reduce cardiac hypertrophy and fibrosis in preclinical models. The proposed mechanism that HDAC6 inhibition promotes acetylation of alpha-tubulin, enhances autophagy, and protects against pressure overload induced heart failure. Notably, ACY1215 or Ricolinistat, initially investigated for MM, is being repurposed for diastolic dysfunction, and TOC for 1-8, a novel isoform selective agent, is in enabling studies. In summary, HDAC isoforms continue to represent attractive therapeutic targets across oncology, neurology, and now in the cardiovascular domain. The advancement of isoform selectivity and the growing body of RWE supporting their use in various conditions, including rare diseases, provide a strong rationale for continued research and development efforts. However, it is essential to address the challenges of toxicity and the evolving regulatory landscape to ensure the safe and effective translation of these promising agents into the clinic. That concludes our review on the HDAC inhibitors. If you found this video informative, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.